Hi folks, Travis Spencer with Kinney Insurance. Recently, our youngest son wrapped up his first year of college and moved into an off-campus house with four of his friends to live in year-round. One of the first things that my son did was check the smoke alarm situation, which is good considering he's the son of an insurance agent. But this is a good topic of conversation for all folks who are moving, whether it's into a new house or maybe your first apartment. It's always a good idea to make sure there are enough smoke alarms, that the smoke alarms are working properly. You want to test them on a regular basis, and even if you're moving in for the first time, it might not be a bad idea to put fresh batteries in because you never know how old those batteries are. The reason you want to do this is 41% of all home fire fatalities happen in a house without a smoke alarm. So these are things that can easily be fixed and resolved by making sure you have enough smoke alarms and that they're working. So if you know someone who's moving into a new home or maybe their first apartment, ask them, hey, have you checked the smoke alarm situation? There's a lot of excitement and a lot of things going on when you move, and that is something that can easily be overlooked. But if we all help our friends and family and loved ones who are moving into a new place to understand the dangers of fire and that having working smoke alarms can really reduce those dangers, we could all be in a better place. Thanks and have a great day.